Here I have BYD CLU, and let me show you the camera view from the following car. So if you would like to enable the camera view, all you need to do is use here the apps icon at the down right corner of the screen. Then let's open the vehicle image, and as you can see here, you've got your camera view. So you can check out the different angles of your camera by using the right side of the screen. You can also disable the 3D image, and right now you can get access to all cameras. As you can see, there are a few of them. So you can check out those cameras right here. You can here enable or disable the parking sensors. You can also check out the transparent view. And now let me drive to show you how it looks. Let me also enable the 3D view. And now let's just show you how it looks by using the following view, as you can see right here. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.